Good morning, my friends. So, hopefully, you are all fine and okay. I, Sri Devasis Banerjee from SRN Astrology. Today, I want to discuss about two important matters about or important function from our life through our SRN Astrology. Before this, I already has explained about these two matter in my previous video in Bengali. Today I am going to discuss with these two matters again in English version. What are these two functions? First function is trust and second one is dependency. These are the two vital things in our life which is very important to be known by us, and if we do not came to understand about these two matters, we have to face lots of difficulties and problems in our life due to these 2 points. Now, why these two things are so important? My friends, we should not forget one thing, that the entire world is standing on trust and dependency. We should not forget this thing. So once we break these two things in our life, or anybody is breaking these two things in our life, immediately we will be detached from that person, or that person will be detached from us also, because the entire world is standing on these two things. In our life, we always get in contact with lots of peoples, like friends, relatives, life partner, business partners, girlfriend, boyfriends, etc. etc. Now, as a common people, how would we understand the person to whom we are going to concern or make our relation? That person will be trustable or dependable for us? This is very important question. It's a $1 million question. So now, as per our SRN astrological observation, every persons living in this universe, they all or we all are equipped with two characters that has been identified or observed by our SRN astrology. What are these two images? First one is the external image of any human being, and second one is internal image of any human being. We always try to use our external image as our exposure to attract or impress others, but our internal image is our real hidden character, which we never wants to expose before anyone. We always pretend to show a polished and over smart image to attract others. Of course, exception is there. These people are those people who are very much equipped with transparent activities. They have only one images in their life, but this kind of people are very few in counting. Now I want to give you some explanation and example through our SRN astrology, how to find out the connection in our horoscope to identify a trustable person and a dependable person. Let me show you the horoscope. This is our natural zodiac. and this natural zodiac, this is the first house. If this one is the first house, then this is the second house, this is the third house, this is the fourth house, this is the fifth house, this is the sixth house, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if this first house is our ascendant, then second house in our horoscope, this is the house of dependency. This house has other function also. But today I want to make you aware about these 2 points. So this point is very much vital over here. So second house is the house of dependency, and the fourth house is the house of trust. Now, how would we understand the person to whom we are going to concern, that person will be dependable or trustable? So, whenever you will find anybody's second lord and his star lord, both are strongly connected with first and 12th house, that means that person is not dependable person. We should not depend on that person. Similarly, if in anyone's horoscope we find the fourth lord and its star lord also indicating third house, first house and 12th house, fourth lord and his star lord both are indicating third house, first house and 12th house, that means that person is also non-trustable person. Always remember these 2 things. Before going to any horoscope or any prediction, first of all, strongly or seriously observe these 2 connectivity. Then you can make a judgment about that person. That person is trustable or dependable. Now you will ask me that we do not know any astrology and we do not know any connectivity, or do not know how to find out this connectivity also, or anyone doesn't have any horoscope also. Then what will be our procedure to identify? How will identify the person to whom we are going to concern? That person will be trustable or dependable. So here I am giving you a tips. Every person doing any work in this universe, in behind this work, we always have two eye of English. What are these 2 eye? One eye is interest and the other eye is intention. These are the 2 vital eye always acting behind our work. Without these 2 eye, we never do any work. If someone is doing any work, there is obviously one eye is working. If anybody is doing any work without these 2 eye, he is a mad one. So before going to meet with anybody or any connectivity or any connection or any relationship with anybody, always try to find out which eye is acting behind that person's work. This is most vital thing. Most probably we never do this thing. That's why we face lots of problem in our life. This thing has to be identified. Because once we can identify the eye, we can identify that person's motivation, his intention, his intensity, his activities, everything will be clear before us. Then we should take our judgment that whether we are going to make relationship with that person or not. This is the most vital thing. Mostly we never do this thing, that's why we face lots of problem. So Today I discuss about two matters: how to find out a dependable person and trustable persons from a horoscope, and if we do not have any horoscope, how to identify a dependable and trustable person in our life. Next time I will give you more important and valuable tips on astrology like this. So today I want to thank you everybody very much. Thank you very much. Be safe, live safe. Thank you.